Hey YouTubers and friends, don't go away because when I come back I'll be giving a quick Gold Claw tip for the pocket claw. Don't go away!
In a shed with Ed. In a shed with Ed.
Thanks for joining me for In the Shed with Ed. I'm Ed Marvin of Flash in Your Pan. If you're new here, remember, you can subscribe below by clicking the red button and hitting the notification bell. Become part of the notification squad and part of the Flash fam. If you're a regular, welcome back, Flash fam member. But I got a quick tip on the pocket claw. Besides being able to rapidly pan through material and have it conveniently in your pocket or in your car at any given time, I'm going to show you how to put gold in your vial without a funnel or a snuffer bottle, if you might not have a snuffer bottle but have a vial. So let's go over to my panning trough and look. All right, what I have here is some gold that I got with Chris Price of Team Prospecting and Chris Dyer of Dyer Prospecting the last time I was prospecting with them. But I have some fine and some chunky in there. Can you see it? Might be hard, but you don't want to use this. One of these corners is made so you can pour it right into your vial. It's not this one because of these riffles here. Right there, there's those riffles. There's no riffles on this side, and this one's sharp, corner sharp enough. You can pour your gold right into your vial. And I'm going to show you how easy it is. I got a couple of stubborn pieces. That worked really well. Worked really well by just dipping it and letting it go down into the vial. See? But I got a good majority of it in my vial. So let's get back upright. So there it is. It's that simple. Just that corner Klint designed so it's sharp enough so you can pour it right into a vial from your pocket claw. I love it. I personally like the clear the best. Next would be the blue. You keep it in my truck with holds my change, and it's there whenever I need it. I see a spot and I have no other gold pan or my other gold claws. I do have my pocket claw in my truck. I'll leave a card up here in this corner and take you to another video where I go more in depth into the Gold Claw pan, and I know I like it and a lot of other people. So until then, thanks for joining me here on In the Shed with Ed. Again, I'm Ed Marvin, and may you always have a flash in your pan. And you know what I always say, maybe one day too, I'll meet you on the river. Until then, I'm out of here.
In a shed with Ed. In a shed with Ed.